binti Ishadi, and my metric number is B05192044. And I will present about introduction and problem statement. For the introduction, sauce known as a liquid food that served in a preparing food, and they add a flavor, moisture, and visual to appear in a dish. Dispenser is device manually operate, made of handle, and often found in a restaurant, gas station, and public toilet. Dispenser design also can manually determined by a liquid or foam form. For example, dispenser liquid form need to squeeze a bottle pump. So, on this project, we have been choose to create a smart dispenser that control amount of solution. The project is inspired by automatic dispenser in a public toilet that more friendly. Next is problem statement. First, sauce dispenser can be used at the restaurant, stall, or personal use. The main problem for this product is the manual model of the sauce dispenser can make a damage of the pump. Sauce dispenser can be problem if we push the hard lid of the pump to pump out the sauce. Second, sauce dispenser can make a waste of the sauce. Especially in this pandemic, manual dispenser more exposed to public. It's like exposed to the virus as well. Lastly, the manual dispenser need a manpower to push the head of the dispenser. It might not ergonomic to people because can cause a strain to the people.
We continue this presentation to the part of objective of this project. The first objective of this project is to produce a convenient sauce dispenser for customer to get the sauce. The second objective of this project is to reduce the sauce wastage by dispensing only the needed amount of sauce. The third objective of this project is to prevent damages by the negligence of the other users. The last objective of this project is to prevent COVID-19 virus from spreading, as we know that COVID-19 virus is the most popular virus in the world now, and it can spread through the physical contact and also through the air.
Hi, my name is Vijaya Damodran Analakianarja. I'll be presenting literature review of our project. From the research we did, we found that utilization of infrared sensor by Alexander Chitran. And an infrared sensor is an electronic instrument that sends certain characteristics of surrounding environment. It does it by emitting or detecting infrared radiation. And an automatic hand sanitizer is one of the products in market that use infrared sensor, which related to our automatic sauce dispenser, which users just have to place their hand under the spraying nozzle. Once the infrared sensor detects, the hand sanitizer will be dispensed through the nozzle. Secondly, we have researched the utilization of ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor work by detecting the distance and commonly used to the car to detect the distance of the object that near to the car. Mutua Mutiada, the research on ultrasonic motion detector. Ultrasonic sensor HCSR00 motion detector with display of distance in the LED, which gives us idea implementing this sensor to our project, which can detect the motion and dispense sauce at the same time. Display the sauce level in the screen. Other than that, from the research we did on the Kelvin Asenton, the founder of Internet of Thinking IoT, where the Internet of Things system can communicate with our device to tell us some message, but give us idea to implement this system to our project. This is the one of the project that's similar to our project that use IR sensor to detect, and this is another project that's similar to our project that use ultrasonic sensor to detect.
Hi, my name is Simon Faiz. Today I will be presenting about methodology. The purpose of this section is to explain the full method of analysis and methodology used in the study. First and foremost, the chapter is clarify the method to be used. The method approach that we use is quantitative method and qualitative method. This strategy is used to gather large of amount data in order to improve our product design, usability, marketability, and material selection. in quantitative method. The method chosen in quantitative aspect is by creating survey to help us strengthen our product needs. First method is survey. We prepare 3 demographic types question, 11 multiple choice question, 7 Likert scale types question, and 2 question asking about opinion. Total of all is 23 questions. We use Google document form. By doing all this survey, all the data collected has helped us to create the House of Quality, HOQ. Next is PUGH concept, screening and scoring. Start by construct a PUGH chart to evaluate 6 different types of concept. The aim of this concept is not choose the best concept. The real purpose of selecting concept is to create the best concept. Next is life indicator activities. This activity is to evaluate 3 categories, which is production phase, use phase, and disposal phase. Each of phase will have different task amount needed, material to be issued. The indicator of each item taking from equal indicator 90 manual and equal indicator 95 manual. And of quantitative method, we go to qualitative method. Life cycle activities. This methodology examines the environmental impact of all consumers' goods and behavior, but not only at one level. This means that the effect product operation is being measured while learning about a product following a value cycle thinking strategy. The life cycle thinking is mean of becoming more aware of dynamic and the use of goods, their effect on the environment. The data has been analyzed in raw material, processing, transportation, retail, and usage phase, end of life, and recycling.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hazim Khalil Muhammad Samsuri. For my part, I will explain about the result. A survey is conducted where a questionnaire is distributed to gather data, information, and needs of customer. The collected information enables us to proceed with quality function deployment, which is QFD. As you can see on the left side, HFQ or House of Quality is developed to show the priority of improvement should be given to the size of the product and mechanical properties. After all the evaluation done in data survey and the concept screening, our team have concluded the following are the best design fitting all the criteria needed. We use CATIA software to design the product. After that, we go through task analysis of this project. We found that the user agrees to use the device in food and beverage industry, easy and user-friendly device to use in public, and more prefer to make least contact public areas since the pandemic happened. After that, we go through DFA and DFM. As you can see, the top one is BOM for existing part assembly, while the below one is BOM for the new part assembly. From DFA and DFM, we achieve the total number of parts for all design is 14, while the new design is 13. The total operation time for all design is 113.7, while the new design 105.2. The total operation cost for all design is 14.78, while the new design is 13.68. The design efficiency for all design is 34.3%, while the new design 37.07%.
Okay, for design requirement of squeeze bottle sauce, it is very lightweight and easy to grab by hand, so it is available everywhere in the restaurant. But sometimes it is very hard to squeeze out the sauce from the bottle as the amount of sauce is decreasing. Okay, for stainless steel palm type, it has high durability and easy for cleaning and storing. It also can hold up to 10 kg of sauce, but it is hard to carry due to its weight. Translating concept. The aim of this concept is to define the boundary condition for selecting material that is able to use for this project. All of the requirements have been stated in the table. So the constraint stated before has reduced the number of variable materials to only 4 candidates. So the average value of the material attributes are calculated by the formula. So ranking concept is to ensure the material are able to maximize the performance of product. The rank of material is stated in the following table.
Select the category. As a result, polycarbonate is the most suitable material to fabricate. Polycarbonate has a high density but still gives the best toughness. As the cost fabrication reduced, polycarbonate has the lowest cost per kilogram. Polycarbonate also has a good fracture, toughness, tensile strength, and fatigue strength.
After going through this presentation, we can conclude that this project has been through so many phases and also stages to make sure this project going smooth. At early stage, we conduct a Google form survey and also a usability test for target user to ensure this project is very useful to our community. For design, we focus to our agenda, which is minimizing the cost and also reducing the component. To achieve our agenda, we use design for manufacture and assembly, BMFA, and also design for assembly techniques. These two techniques help us to achieve our agenda so well. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum.